Hi everybody, my name is Gustavo Soares. I'm about to finish a master's degree study at Insead, France. And the main theme of my research is about making decisions under extreme pressure. As I have a deep love for the mountains, my approach for the subject is from the perspective of Everest Summiteers. For that, I have talked to some of these people who have reached the top of the world. Some of them are businessmen, as I am, but there are also a guide, a doctor, and even a Sherpa. And the history of these people is just amazing. The idea of a live experience in Pico da Bandeira, or Bandeira's Peak, the third highest mountain in Brazil, is to create an opportunity to, with a group of people who have the role of leadership, talk, reflect, or even to validate this hypothesis, and most important, to make sense of that and to see its correlation with our professional and personal lives. And why to do that through a live experience climbing Pico da Bandeira? Because I believe that nothing can cause a deeper transformation than a real experience. I had the chance to talk to several people who have reached the summit of the Everest, and it was clear in these conversations that from the preparation phase to the summit push, climbing the top of the world was a sequence of decisions that they had to make during the whole journey. That's what I'm calling here responsible decisions. But what exactly does it mean? Responsible decisions are those which have vital consequences for me and for the others. And because I cannot trust my own judgment for being in an environment of extreme pressure, they are decisions that have to be taken in advance. Responsible decisions are directed at the result, or what do I want to get, adjusted by safety, or how do I want to get it, and limited by ethics, or who do I want to be to get it. This is the purpose I'm bringing to all of you here while climbing Pico da Bandeira. Let the concept of responsible decision flow free in your mind. Let your subconscious speak. And that's all. I don't have to do anything else in this moment. Neither do you. The experience we are about to live in the mountain, whatever it happens, will bring the answers or the questions we need in this phase of the program. Afterwards, we will put the pieces of the puzzle together in order to make sense of the whole thing. But for now, just enjoy the journey. Well, when you talk about result, safety, ethics, these are necessary in Everest, but these are also necessary for our expedition here in Bandeira. And what about our professional life and our role as leaders? And what about our homes?
Você me convida agora, eu vou te encontrar. O outra vez a vida se mostra bela. Você me convida agora, eu vou te encontrar. Outra vez a vida se mostra bela.
Eu acho que a afetividade já reina nessa expedição, né? Então, refletir, respeitar e agir, né? Não dá para terceirizar. Pô, a gente fala muito, né? Emoção, superação, pô, entusiasmo, ajuda mútua, um querendo a superação do outro, vamos e tal. Respeito, né? O respeito é uma coisa bacana, cumplicidade. Legal, eu estou muito feliz, orgulhoso.
A gente assistiu ali ao vivo, não, acho que foi uma coisa muito forte.
Palavra que me veio muita cabeça, o companheirismo. Esse sentimento de companheirismo, de buscar o bem comum, eu acho que isso é muito bacana e tem a ver com ética.
Gratidão, né, por essa oportunidade, mas o ambiente foi um ambiente muito favorável para a gente se sentir à vontade.
Sozinho, nós não chegaríamos ali.
Não dá não, meu.
Chega em momento da vida da gente, Juarez, que não dá para terceirizar.
Passito, meu.
Você tem que tomar a decisão. Às vezes você tem condições de fazer, mas sua mente quer te derrubar. Sensacional, né? Um dia marcante na vida da gente.
Até aquele pedaço ali foi muito difícil para mim. O principal, eu consegui que foi vencer minha cabeça.
E os desafios, quando a gente olha ele muito longe, eles ficam gigantescos. Quando a gente vai encarar, eles são grandes, mas são transponíveis. É uma pedra difícil ali, é outra colar, mas não é um paredão numa linha intransponível. Eu acho que isso tem muito com a vida da gente. Né? A gente olha assim.
Now baby, listen baby, don't you treat me this way, 'cause I'll be back on my feet someday.
Don't care if you do, 'cause it's understood. You ain't got no money, you just ain't no good.
Well, I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things